Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Partnering with the company of Rapo Nunez, anak ko ni Marilyn Nunez, who is behind mga sports activities in the past, like the Goalball, Macau, and even the celebrity in Star Olympics. So we will be partnering with him as well as Mr. Anton Ciateriales of the Green Method. So, Anton, in September or October, we will be launching our first
Magkakaroon po tayo ng sport fest called popular name is High Rocks. Pero gagawa tayo ng same version that everyone can do. Ang layunin naman natin is not to find the strongest, not to find the fastest, but it's more of celebration of fitness. So ang layunin natin is mabigyan tayo ng mabago natin ang lifestyle natin to a healthier person, not to promote stronger katawan or mas magandang katawan is also mental health.
Thank you, Anton. And of course, hindi lang parang high rocks, so ganun klaseng sports ang ating gagawin this year. Next year, nakalinya rin ang maraming mga tournaments kagaya ng isang golf tournament headed of course by Rambo Nunez.
Yeah, so I thank you all for allowing me to help, of course. Like what you said, Mommy has been like very close to the industry of sports. So it's something that I want to, and also want Mama and you guys. So yeah, if I can help in any way, then that's good.
More exciting things for us, Jerry. Awards. Alright, naku, yun pala. Something na nakaka-exciting kasi nalalaman natin more of awards and about the awards night later. Yes. Later. Yes, finally. Remuneration via. Hindi ko alam ikaw ang sabi. Ikaw ang explain. Okay. Pero i-explain. So, if your show or your movie gets shown elsewhere, in another country, country talaga, diba? You are entitled to remuneration, meaning it's just the payment, a royalty for your intellectual property. Oh, it was shown in another nation. Wala lang. Okay, what about that? So, here, remuneration is available. And to explain further. Ms. Valdez and Leo Martinez from PRSRH.
Babalik din sa wakas. Ganda, bye-bye.
My ruling is very short because there was open bar, and so magmukha kami po Leo and I, performance rights is available in the Philippines. It is a legal collecting society for all of us contribution people who have works that are what they call publicized in any venue, which allows us to collect for our works. Okay? Now, this is accepted and pushed by all the international organizations and they follow an international law. The Philippines is part of this international law. Now, if whoever you belong to says that they will not give you the recompense or compensation for the works that have been published, it is against the law.
Sabi ko sa asawa.
So, but the only problem is you have to be a member of this collective management organization, which is myself and Lily Martinez, and Joel Torre, yes, Melvin Viena, Celeste Legaspi. We are called the Performers' Rights Society of the Philippines. Cherry Pie, Ikache has been helping us here. I understand the problem is that you might be a bit afraid to go against your contracts in your networks, broadcasters, etc. However, whatever contracts you have, which we have consulted with the international community, says that the local contracts are invalid and we can collect for you. The collection will be anonymous. Your networks will not know because it is a general collection. We will not give them your names. It is up to Performers' Rights Society to distribute it to you. It sounds very exciting, very interesting. And for further information, congratulations to the new board of ACOR. We would like to have a board meeting to thresh out all the legalities because the Philippines is recognized by the EU, the European Union, as the pioneer, at least legally, in these rights. As a matter of fact, they would like to come over here and make the Philippines the showcase of audiovisual collection. Audiovisual means anything that is put out there, and even musicians are all
Hi guys!
welcome. So we would
So
like
ngayon
to
nandito tayo
thank
sa
the board for
ACOR.
allowing us
So
to
maraming members na
present
naman
our case, and we would like to thank the
nag-sign
passion of
in. Baka kayo gusto nyo din mag-sign
who
in.
is very frustrated
Tara kain tayo ng
already
shakies.
regarding the signing up for this. I know it is a long road.
Sige, magbabasa muna tayo.
We have to deal with so many things. We have to
Hi,
deal with
Joy.
management, etc.
Yan si Mark B.
I will turn this-
Hello.
Thank you for having
Thank you
us.
for
I will
watching.
turn this over to Lily
Watching po
Martinez.
from
I hope hindi siya
Aurora.
Hindi naman. Gusto lang yan
Watching
namin
from Dubai.
linawin
Kamusta kayo
na
dyan sa Dubai?
Yung mga...
Congratulations.
tayo
Oo nga eh.
artista, kailangan
Ito,
tayo
ang sipag ng ano namin.
Thank you for watching.
Kasi
Oh, diba? Ang
ang
sipag ng presidente ng
PRSPH lang ang pwedeng tumanggap ng mga remuneration ng gagawin.